Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, March 11th. Well, the market got some positive news coming out of Washington with the Trump administration regarding market stimulus as well as a tax, payroll tax, eliminating that until the end of the year. But let's go back to how the market absorbed it. It implies that it had less of an impact on revenue. It may have a less of an impact and maintain profitability for these markets. And that's what we're seeing here, money flowing towards the stock market. Well, the magnitude change here in this market, in the S&P, to give you a reference, that's all. At $6,500 a contract, I do look for follow through to the upside. In the NASDAQ market, the magnitude change between the bearish and bullish levels in that market, $4,000 a contract. Down here in the Dow, the magnitude change in that market is also $4,000 a contract. And again, I'm looking for follow through to the upside. But let's move on. And let's see what's happening in the currencies. The dollar got stronger, and the magnitude change between that bearish and bullish levels in the euro is $5,625 a contract. Over in the Swissy, the magnitude change here in that market, $5,875 a contract. In the Japanese yen, the magnitude change there, $3,500 a contract. And again, this is just to give you that reference. Over here in the Aussie dollar, we're looking for further weakness, but not a dramatic move to the downside. And British pound magnitude change in that market is $1,062.50. I'm looking for an inside day basically in that market. But let's move on. Let's look at interest rates. The 10-year notes traded, well, here's where the bearish level was. And if it would have opened in this range and traded through that level, just to give you that as a reference, that magnitude change would have been $2,000 a contract. But it didn't open there. It opened lower. And that opening price, if somebody had a resting market order, would have been executed at that lower price. The magnitude change in that market, again, just to give you that as a reference, that would have been $1,312.50. Over in the bond market, also, this was the resting order. It opened lower. That magnitude change between that bearish level and this bullish level, $10,000 a contract, but this is where it opened. And so that magnitude change, to give you that as a reference, is $6,687.50. I'm looking for weaker prices in those areas. Now, copper firmed up on the idea that maybe we're going to get some economic relief, and the magnitude change here is $500 a contract. I don't look for much follow through here, rather an inside type day. Nat gas also firmed up with the idea that maybe industry will be doing better. I don't look for a strong move here. I'm skeptical, but I am looking for unchanged to higher in that market. Now, soybeans traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market is $550 a contract. It's not a confident move, so I don't look for strong movement to the upside, rather an inside day. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.